Good morning students. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Welcome back to the maths class. Okay. Now in previous video we discussed about the topic of face value and place value. Okay. Now in this video we are going to learn about the detailed way in face value and place value. Okay. Now write the, so now all of you open your textbook. Next page number 7. In this page number 7, first bit what they given here. Write the face value. Here already I written in a board. Listen carefully. Write the face value and place value of the digit 4 in each of the following numbers. So now here some numbers given, four problems means 4 numbers they given here. In these numbers where it is. So first problem, now what the number given here? 2049. So in the 2049 we writing the place value of 4 and we writing the place value of 4. What is the difference between face and place? So face means 4 means we are writing 4 as it is. Okay, place means it depends upon the place value. Okay, now for example here, so 2049, this is the first problem now. So into 2049 4 we are writing 4 as it is. Okay, as it is we are writing 4. So now place value means here 4 in which place having ma? 4 in which place? Tens place. So now 4 into 10 that is equal to 40. You are writing 40 directly or 4 into 10 you are writing also, no problem. Next problem here 7495. This is a second problem given in your textbook. Okay. So now 7494, in this face value of 4, face value not at all change. So whatever number they are asking, the number write your exactly number. Okay. Now next place value. So 4 in which place having ma? Hundreds. Okay. 4 into 100. 4 into 100. Okay. 4 into 100 means 4 1s are 4. Again how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are 4 into 100, 400. Okay. Next one, now I am going to see problem here 8904. Face value of 4 means 4 not at all change, and again 4 in which place having ma? 4 in which place in C bit? As ones place. So 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 1, 4. Next one 4586. So 4586. Now, so here face value changing ma? No. So I am writing 4 as it is. So whatever number, for example face value of 8 asking means 8 only. Face value of 9 asking means 9 only. Okay. Face value not at all change. Okay. Next face value. Here 4586. In this 4 in which place having ma? Thousands place. So now 4 into 1000 is equal to 4000. Okay, understood? 4000. So this is the write the face value and place value of 4 in the following numbers. Okay. So understood all of you what is the difference between face value and place value. Okay. This now next one, expanded form. Listen carefully in your textbook, second bit what they given here. Write the following numbers in expanded form. So already in previous video we discussing about the expanded form. So now in detailed way here I am explaining ma. Now here 5089. 5089. So now I am writing in expanded form. So first here 5 in which place having ma? Yes, thousands place. So now first 5 into 1000 plus next 0 in which place having ma? 0 into 100 plus 8 in which place having ma? Tens place. 8 into 10 and 9 in which place having ma? 9 into 1. So now here 5 into 1000, 5000, 0 to 0 multiply with 100 means 0 to we can multiply any number, we got answer 0. So that's why I put a 0. Again 8 into 10, 80 and 9 ones are 9. So this is one method. You can directly writing also, no problem. So this is your understanding purpose I am explaining, but correct answer is 5000 plus 0 plus 80 plus 9. Okay, understood? So now this is one method. Another method also is there. Here 3255 given, no? So now first I am writing 3 here. Okay, after 3 how many numbers are there? How many numbers are there? Yes, 3 numbers are there. So I put a 3 zeros, and like this you put a 3 zeros, no problem. And again here 3 in which place having ma? Thousands place. So now 3 into 1000, 3000. Okay. So next one here 2 in which place having ma? Hundreds place. So 2 I am writing. 2 after how many? So first 3 I am writing, no? 3 after how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. I put a 3 zeros. Next I am writing 2. 2 after how many numbers are there? 2 zeros. I put a 2 zeros. Next here what is the number having here? 5. 5 I am writing here. 5 after how many numbers are there? Only one number, 1 0. Next 5. Next 5 after any number is there? So I didn't put any 0. So these are the methods we are using for expanded form. Like this you are writing also, no problem, and 5 into 1000 directly we are writing also, no problem. And first we are taking one number, and then after how many numbers are there, count and put your zeros also, no problem. But I want correct answer. Okay, understood? So now here 6. 6 first we are writing 6 number. After 6 how many numbers are there? Zeros also counted. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. So I put here 3 zeros. I am writing here 3 zeros. And again here what is the number having? 0. So 0 to any zeros, 3 zeros, 4 zeros keeping also, no problem, but I will put 1 0. Next here 1 0 I am writing here. Next here 4. Why I am writing 4 means 4 after any number is there? No. So that's why I am writing 4 in direct way. Next here what is the number having here? 9. 9 in which place having ma? Thousands. So you are writing 9000. Okay, 9000 are writing. Okay, if you don't know means after 9 how many numbers are there? Count 1, 2, 3. Put here we are writing 3 zeros. Understood? Next what is the number having here? Hundreds place. Go to hundreds place. Hundreds place what is the number having here? 9. 9 I am writing here. 9 after 9 how many numbers are there? 2 numbers. So I draw the 2 numbers. And again here what is the number having here? 7. 7 and again 7 after how many numbers are there? Only one number. 0 plus 8. Okay, understood? Next one here 1. So 1 in 1000 place, no? 1000. And again 3 in which place having ma? 3 in hundreds place. So now 300. Next 3 in tens place, 30 plus 0. This is the expanded form. So expanded form, while writing expanded form you put a zeros, and here we can write in order way. Okay, understood? First we are at 1000 given means start with 1000 end with ones place. Okay ma? So in your textbook they are given start with 1000, no? So that's why we are writing 1000. Now next one, expanded form number. Okay. Now here 2000 3 tens 1. Here expanded form we are writing in a short form number or short form. So now listen carefully, 2000 3 tens 1 1. Okay. So 2000 means we are writing 2000, 3 tens means 3 into 10 30, 3 into 10 30 plus 1 1, 1 1 means 1. So now we can do the addition, So in this addition, now here write, now we can do the addition, here we can do the addition. First 2000 30 1, we can do the addition. Okay. Now listen, 0 plus 0 0 and again here 1 3 0 2. So this answer I am writing here 2031. Okay, understood? Now I am going to next problem. Here look, here 3000 10 6. Now we can do the addition. So now 10 given means you don't write here 10. So start with ones place and again whatever number given you can write with correct way. So now here 6, here 1 0 3. So this number I am writing here 3016, I am writing here 3016. Understood all of you? Okay. Next one, 9200 9 ones. Okay. 9000 means 9000 200s, 2 into 100, 200. Next 9 ones. So now I am do the addition. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 9 9, 0 0, 0 plus 2 2, 9. Here what is the answer? 9209. 9209. Next one, here 4000 310 1 1 1 3 4. Okay. What is the answer? 4311. 4311. Okay, understood? Next one here. Okay, next one 5000s. So now I am writing 5000s, 800. Next to 5 ones. 5 ones. Next 5085, 5805. This is the expanded form. Given time we can write a number. So expanded given time we write a number. Next one, fourth bit, filling the blanks. So in filling the blanks in your textbook already one problem there, here one problem has been done. So next B, C, D given no ma. So in first problem once you check it ma, in 7356, 3 in the place where in the place hundreds. Okay. Now I am going to B problem. Here what are the problem given here? 1099. So 1099, 1 is in the dash place. So now first I am writing here place values, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So now in one which place having ma, here one in which place having ma, yes, thousand place. So now I am writing here thousand, THOUSAND, thousand. Okay. So now one in thousand place. Next problem, see it in 2580. 2580, 8 is in the dash place. So now I am writing place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So now in this given problem, 8 is tens place. 8 is tens place. So now here I am writing tens. Okay, 8 is in the tens place. Next problem, 4569. In this 9, in this given given number, 9 is in the ones place. Okay, 9 is in the ones place. Okay, understood all of you? Okay, in this video we learn about the face value and place value, and then after expanded form. Number given time, how do we write a expanded form, and expanded given time we can write a number, we learn. Okay, and next fill in the blanks also we learn the place. Okay, and so all of you watch the video carefully and practice more and more, and you can practice more. Thank you.